Hello everyone. Well, today we will be dealing with a grammar booklet, so please prepare it and we're going to revise nouns, common and proper nouns, correct the homework, and then start with the plural nouns. So let's start. As we have said before that a noun names any person, place, animal or thing. This is called a common noun. While as if a noun names a particular person, a specific person, animal, place, or thing, it's called a proper noun. As we explained in this chart, girl, uncle, queen, state, and country are common nouns. They do not start with a capital letter. They name any person or any place. Whereas for the proper nouns, Maria, Uncle George, Queen Elizabeth, Michigan, and Lebanon are proper nouns and they all start with a capital letter, just as your names and your family names. So let's go to the grammar booklet, page 19, and correct the homework. Please be careful and check your mistakes. So Africa is a proper noun, it must be capitalized. Map, common noun. Henry Hudson, proper noun, also capitalized. Sailor, common noun. Statue of Liberty, proper noun. Forest, common noun. October, proper noun, capitalized. Nile River, proper noun, capitalized. Thanksgiving, proper noun, also capitalized. Brother, common noun. Oceanside Park, proper noun, and it's capitalized. And finally, Mother's Day is a proper noun, also starts with a capital letter. Exercise 2, you have to list the common and the proper nouns, and you have to use capital letters. So, Ruby and Tom made posters. Posters is a common noun and proper noun, Ruby and Tom. Henry and his sister are brave explorers. Sister and explorers, common nouns, while as Henry is a proper noun. Labor Day falls in the month of May. Month is a common noun, while as Labor Day and May are proper nouns. In the last question, any common noun fits and any proper noun fits. But let's see some examples. On Saturday, they finally arrived at the airport. They took a trip with Mr. Sam to explore the forest. My friend Alia called me on the phone. Now let's go to the singular and plural nouns, adding s, es, and ies. Let's check these two sentences. A hen is in the barn. A hen is in the barn. The hens are in the barn. Notice here a hen names one hen, while as hens for many. A noun can name one or more than one, as we said in the sentences. A noun that names only one person, place, animal, or thing is a singular noun, while as a noun that names more than one is called a plural noun. How do we form plural nouns? Let's see together. We usually add s to most singular nouns to make them plural. For example, one desk, two desks. One puddle, both puddles. A rose, 10 roses. Notice here we only added s. But if a noun ends with s, x, sh, ch, double s or o, we have to add es. Bus ends with s, so we have to add es instead of s. Box also ends with x, so we have to add es. Bunch ends with ch, so we have to add es. Wish ends with sh, we have to add es. Dress, double s, adding es. And finally, tomato ends with o, we have to add es to it and not s. Now, let's work on the grammar booklet, page 20. Let's try to solve these together. Brush. Brush ends with sh, so we have to add es. Gift, only s. Class ends with double s, so we have to add es. Patch, ch, we have to add es. Prize ends with e, so only s is added. Circus, es. Inch, es. Fox, es. Exercise page 21. You have to write the correct noun to complete each sentence. Then you have to tell if the noun is a singular one or a plural one, like in the example. My family works in many business or businesses. Many. Many here shows plural, so businesses and not business is used. Cousin Woody makes many toolbox or toolboxes. Many. Yes, it's plural, so it's boxes with es at the end. Grandmother Kim is a basketball coach or coaches a basketball. Yes, it's coach, singular. A shows singular. Uncle Sam is a lifeguard at a beach or beaches. At a, and Uncle Sam is singular, so it's a beach. Uncle Sam is a lifeguard at a beach and not beaches. Grandpa Taylor makes some wedding. Some means many. That means it's a plural noun and it's dresses and not dress. Aunt Janet owns a planet store or stores. Aunt Janet owns a planet. A planet store. Yes, it's a singular one. Number 6. I rest in the kitchen and eat lots of sandwich or sandwiches. Lots of. Lots of. It's sandwiches. Plural. Yes. Now, this list of tasks has 7 incorrect plural nouns. So proofread it and write them correctly on the lines. It's Grammar Booklet, page 21. Attention workers! Clean the 3 sinks and scrub brushes. Sinks, yes, it's S at the end and not ES, correct? And brushes ends with SH, so we have to add ES and not S. Get 2 boxes of onions from the cellar. Boxes ends with X, so we have to add ES. And onions ends with a consonant, so we have to add S only. Put 4 glass and a pair of candles on each table. 4 glass? Of course not. It's 4 glasses. Stack some menus near the cash register. Menus, yes. We only need to add an S. Ask both of the buses if you can leave early. Both means 2. And buses, it's impossible to write it with 3 S. So we have to add es. Now, let's move to the last part. If a noun ends with a y preceded by a vowel, which is a, e, I, o, and u, we only have to add s. For example, monkey. Monkey ends with a y preceded by a vowel, so we only add s. Boy ends with a y preceded by a vowel, only s is added. While as, if a noun ends with y preceded by a consonant, which means all of the alphabetical letters except the vowels, the A, the E, the I, the O, and the U, we have to change the Y into I, then we add ES. Cross out the Y, then add ES. Like butterfly ends with Y, before Y a consonant, we crossed out the Y and added IES. Sky ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so the Y is crossed and IES is added. Now, my lovely students, this is all for today's session. See you next time. Please stay safe, stay at home, and enjoy it. Bye bye.